What am I doing?
Printer.
Oh.
Sheesh, save me. These are photos.
Oh, where's mine? Oh, here it is. Yeah, because I'm gonna. Oh, it's recording.
Hello. Just punctuating.
You done?
So,
Well, I can start talking, can't I?
you can talk.
Oh, I
as
can
much as
talk.
you
I can
like.
talk as much as I like, which I tend to do.
You
Hey,
tend to-
okay. Hi, everybody. Good morning. Or no, what is it? It's almost evening time. We've had a
Time
long.
flies when you're
when you had- when
enjoying
you're
yourself.
enjoying
She's
yourself.
in illustrious company, and the time just absolutely.
Just do that. Just shush.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, shut up. Good evening, everybody. This is Jean here with my husband Ian from True Love Quilts for You. Ian is going to be embarking on a few-minute video after I just do this little introduction. One of my last videos, again, if you're new here, go back to my last video. It was Ian had a suggestion to showcase different people's sewing areas, their quilting areas in their room, whether it's a closet, whether it's a table, whether it's a room. And we thought it was a really good idea. I have actually received about 10, maybe a dozen emails from my True Love Quilts for You at gmail.com of people sending in their little stories and photographs of their quilting area. And we just thought it would be lovely to share. Just one every now and again, so we will get to you. I just wanted to acknowledge that I have received them. The first one I had received was from actually a faithful subscriber, Delwyn Graham. You know who you are. And again, so many of the comments that I had received in my last video, I have yet to answer them, and I will get to them. But there was quite a few people when Ian had suggested that we share our sewing areas. So many of you guys were like, I got to clean up my room first. We have a lot of messy, untidy quilters. It was so funny. Someone said, oh dear, if I could get in my sewing room, if I can declutter it. It was so funny. I got to clean it up and then I'll take a picture. I just thought that's so funny. So Delwyn Graham has cleaned up her sewing room. The one thing I just want to mention before I go behind the camera in a moment, because at this window here, oh, excuse me, I spit. In this window here, that's where I'm going to put the photographs that people have sent. So I'm just going to tootle out of here. But I just wanted to share at the end of this little thing that Ian's going to do, Delwyn's quilt that she had made. This was a second email. Again, this is a sharing is caring. Hey, Jean, this is a photo of a quilt that I did from your pattern. I can't remember what it's called. It's my 10-minute 3-seam quilt, my 10-minute block. Anyway, I finished it over a year ago. I'm going to put a picture up. And I got it ready to quilt, but I don't have any idea how to quilt this. She pieced it. It's a very easy quilt. I'm not much good at free motion quilting. A lot of beginners aren't, and tend to use a walking foot mainly. Any ideas on how to quilt this quilt? Very quickly, Delaware, I would say the 10-minute quilt block without free motion quilting it, I would just do a straight stitch, not through the middle, which tends to be a bit thick, but just a straight stitch. I believe it would probably be about every 5 inches, just a grid all the way through your quilt. That way you can use your quilting foot. You're not making any decorative quilting stitches, which is free motion quilting, which can be a little bit hard. So I would just go right through on the seams of your, like in the ditch, and then through, not through the block, not through the middle of the section, but right to the side and on the top of it. You understand?
Around the perimeter.
Around the perimeter of the actual
block.
Center block, yeah. So that's how I would do that. Again, I have received quite a few. Must be patient while I get to them every now and again. I will be working on my, maybe the next video on my row along with Jean quilt. I have a new block coming up. And yeah, we'll get to that. But right now, I'm going to send it over to Ian. Mr. Ian Truelove is going to talk about Delwyn's sewing area. And I'm going to be putting pictures up. Do a good job.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Here
we go.
Okay, there you go.
Keep calm.
Keep calm. Carry on. Now panic. Freak out.
Hi, Jean and Ian. I have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. And these are photos of my sewing cupboard with pull-out project storage and ironing station on top. This works well for piecing. I bought this mid-range machine about a year ago, which stays in this area. I have a bigger machine, which I was finding too large to move around, and it has its own desk cupboard which I can move. I've taken over the 2nd bedroom as I have a puppy who likes to chew everything, so I can leave it set up and shut the puppy out. Also, the cupboard was too small to try and quilt in, so I can spread out and use additional tables to lay the quilt on as I quilt in my main living area or guest bedroom. I have fabrics and wadding. That's so English. What does she mean? It's not wadding, it's...
We call it batting in this country.
Batting.
Batting.
I know what wadding is, but I also know what batting
Yeah.
is. So Delwyn says I have fabrics and wadding or batting stored in other parts of the house, but it's all doable. I just made the big design wall in my guest bedroom, but it's not sticking too well. That is the old flannel sheet that I put up, so I may have to rethink that soon. Thanks for all your YouTube videos. Always look forward to them. Regards, Delwyn.
Oh, that was lovely, wasn't it?
I can understand all of this.
You can understand.
I can picture
Yes.
the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Sounds very cozy.
And when I put the pictures up, and when I edit the video, the pictures will be up next to you.
All right.
So you'll see the final video.
Very good. Look
Okay.
forward to it.
Thank you very much, Ian.
Bye.
Thank you, Delwyn. See you later, folks. Love from the Trueloves. Bye-bye.